So as you can see here, today's session will see the introduction to Cypress and architecture of Cypress and Cypress versus Selenium. What are the differences between these two? Okay. So basically, Cypress is a purely JavaScript-based front-end testing tool. Okay, and it's built for the modern web. So what you understand from modern web, like nowadays we are using the complex type of web designing, like Flipkart, Amazon. So it's a very complex, yeah. To automate that one using manual, if you don't have used manual automation testing, then it will be very difficult for use to manual testing, for this kind of complex website. So that's the reason we are using nowadays, Selenium or Cypress. So if you compare it Selenium with Cypress, so Cypress is very fast, and reliable also. So you can see that in the second step, like it's very fast, easy, and reliable. Testing for anything that runs in a browser. Okay, and we have also Cypress official documentation. If you see on internet, Cypress. Okay, you can get also the knowledge how it works and all. Third one is a basic understanding of JavaScript is enough to write a test script in Cypress. Only basic. It's not compulsory that you should know each and everything of of JavaScript. Got it, Shweta?
Yeah, yeah. Yes. So it is for front end testing, no?
Yeah, it's a front end
Uh,
testing.
okay.
Yeah.
So how we are going to do API and all that? No.
Yeah, there are some, like we can say some command is there in Cypress. So we by using that one we can use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are going to cover API testing also in this course or what?
Like in this course, I'll teach you, how to intercept that HTTP request, XHR request,
Okay.
Yeah, how to intercept that one using going into the network and all. So basic idea you will get the API testing.
Okay.
Okay, so no worry, we'll cover all this thing one by one. Okay. Also, like in your syllabus, there is Cucumber BD, it is not mentioned. So we'll cover two framework. Will cover one is Form Page Object Model, and second one is Cucumber BDD will cover.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So why Cypress only if you compare it to other tool? So basically Cypress is very easy and reliable testing for anything that runs on browser. So like in Selenium we use some weight, correct? Fluent weight, implicit and explicit weight, correct? But in Cypress there is no need to
Yeah.
use such kind of weight because it's inbuilt like we can wait for particular site to get run. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. See the architecture here. If you see the architecture of Selenium, you can see here like there is a jar files, and in between browser and jar file there is a web driver, correct? To communicate between these two things.
Yes.
But in Cypress we don't have any web driver. Like directly our Cypress can interact with the browser using WebSocket. Okay. So WebSocket is nothing but a like HTTP kind of request which duplex sending the duplex request means two side we have that network, that communication, two side communication we have. So one side is we have Node.js and other side is browser, and we are connecting using WebSocket. So this is the basic architecture of Cypress. So we will not find driver here, web driver, Chrome driver, Firefox driver.
Web.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll see in detail what exactly is doing. Okay. So if you see the Cypress over Selenium, so what you will find here, So what are the positives of Cypress? We'll see it over Selenium. And it takes screenshots automatically on failure. Like suppose if you're running any script, and suppose if your script get stuck or get failed, so Cypress, having the functionality that it can take automatically screenshot. Also, it can record the videos.
Okay.
Okay, and with Cypress, there is no need
While
to.
running script.
Yeah, yeah. While running one Google page, suppose, and if having some bug you faced, or the script is get failed, okay, because of some reason. So Cypress automatically
Okay.
save the screenshot. It takes screenshot and also take the video. why it get failed, what happened.
Okay.
Second, with Cypress, there is no need to put explicit weights or sleeps to your test. Basically, no need to, because inbuilt function of Cypress having, they can manage the weight. It takes snapshots of the application when the tests are running. Okay, it takes snapshots.
Okay.
And what are the negatives? It is relatively new. Okay, and it does not have that vast community that Selenium does. So like if you see the people around sitting,
Yes.
giving support is very less compared to Selenium. And there is no support for multiple browser in tabs. Like in Selenium we have browser, switch to browser, multiple browser we can.
Trans.
Yeah, but in this case we don't have
Yeah.
such kind of thing. And Cypress only support JavaScript for creating test cases. Okay, these are the basic introduction of Cypress. So any doubt
Okay.
up till now?
No. But still, people are working on Cypress tool. Na? I mean, there is Selenium and it has more advantages, but